Hey guys, welcome back to DJ Records, back with another vlog. It is 11 o'clock in the night. I don't know if I should be doing this, but I have this bag. It's really heavy. It's full of electronics that I own. Let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. Something's big in here. I'm gonna find out. Here's a computer. I've always wanted a computer. Let's go, baby. Yeah. Got a Nintendo 3DS. That's cool. I can play on it. Ah, it's dead and I don't have a charger. You forgot the charger. Whoops. Ah. Then, last thing already. An iPad. What is wrong with these people? Wow, these are grateful people. Thank you. One thing to tell you, I already own these. Plus, this is my school iPad because the coronavirus outbreak. It's not the flu is actually much more worse for sicknesses, but the coronavirus spreads faster. Because it is 11 o'clock right now. Make sure to go subscribe, click the notification bell, and also have a wonderful day. Hope you liked the video. Click the notification bell and subscribe. Bye. Forgot to do the intro, just to tell you now. So let's do it right night show. The outro. Na 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 na.